In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI in your business workflow. We'll start inside your business workspace in Notion because that's the foundation for everything else. Open the workspace you use for your company, team, or projects and make sure you're in the right area before you begin. This helps keep your notes, documents, and tasks organized from the start, which is especially important when you're using AI to support ongoing work. Once you're in your workspace, begin using Notion AI to summarize notes, documents, or meeting updates. This is one of the fastest ways to turn large amounts of information into something useful and easy to review. If you've just finished a meeting, collected brainstorming notes, or uploaded a long document, AI can help condense it into key takeaways. This saves time and makes it easier to share important points with your team without forcing everyone to read through everything manually. Next, use Notion AI to draft content for your business. You can ask it to create emails, standard operating procedures, reports, or project briefs. This is especially helpful when you already know what you need to communicate but want a faster starting point. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can generate a first draft and then shape it to match your tone, goals, and audience. It's a practical way to speed up routine writing tasks while still staying in control of the final message. You can also use AI inside your databases. Notion AI fields can summarize or analyze database records, which becomes very useful when you're working with large sets of information. For example, if your database contains project updates, client notes, or internal records, it can help you quickly identify patterns, create short summaries, or pull out the most relevant details. This makes your database more than just a place to store information. It becomes a tool for insight as well. Another powerful use case is automation. Use Notion AI to turn messy notes into action items. If you've got rough meeting notes, incomplete ideas, or unstructured updates, AI can help transform them into clear next steps. This makes follow-up faster and reduces the chance that important tasks get missed. Before sharing anything, always review and edit the AI output. This step is critical. AI can save time, but it still needs human oversight to make sure everything is accurate, clear, and appropriate for your business. Check the wording, confirm the details, and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, add AI into repeated business processes to save time over the long term. When you use it consistently in the same types of workflows, Notion AI becomes a practical part of how your business operates every day.